welcome back to the channel. Right now I am in Andaman Beach in Krabi and I'm about to do the famous monkey trail. There's also supposed to be an amazing sunset on Pai Plong Beach, so hopefully I'm going to make that there as well. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, let's do it. Some people say Andaman Beach isn't very nice, but I don't understand that at all. Like, it's full of tourists here. We've been here a few days now, but anytime we're here the beach is packed. Loads of people in the restaurants. Really, really beautiful, so I don't get that part of it. Quite mad as well to think that all the way back in 2004 the tsunami hit this region. And basically Andaman Beach that I'm on here now was pretty much destroyed, left in tatters. But looking at it here now, you wouldn't think that at all. I know it is 20 years ago basically. It's really, really very beautiful here, big fan. But I do believe that the region is much more able to deal with situations like that again. I think they put these meters in the water which measures any sort of movement that would indicate that a tsunami might be on the way. And you can also notice around the town as well, there's several signs stating that the tsunami exit route is this way or that way. So it's mad to think and be here. This happened right in this very place. But anyway, back to the monkey trail. It shouldn't take that long. I believe about half an hour really to get onto the other beach. And if we're lucky, who knows, maybe we will see a monkey or two. It's meant to be a fairly popular thing to do here, so I'm looking forward to it. And also Railay Beach, which we were in there yesterday I think it was, is around that bend there. You can get a boat out from here. It's very cheap. I think we paid 400 baht for the two of us on a return ticket, so yeah, very affordable to get around to these islands. Maybe we'll get a cocktail just for a bit of hydration to go. What do you think? Already, before we even started the trail, it looks like we have a family of monkeys here. So let's say hello. Oh, he looks content here, enjoying the sunset. Oh, there's a bit of a scrap going on. Oh, this chap here, he looks like the main man, chilling out here behind me, taking it all in. Unreal. Jesus, that lad done a big jump. It's like a wrestling match here. There is a load more over there. That was absolutely amazing. I didn't think we'd get that lucky seeing the amount of them. There was a couple like climbing, a couple of people in the shop there climbing onto the trail. Doesn't look like the most safe platform to be walking on. Kind of lopsided, pieces missing. Kind of looks like it could break at any time. Whoa! Is no shortage of monkeys at the moment. You just don't know where another one is going to pop out. They could show up behind you, below you, above you, who knows. It really is a workout coming up these steps. It's very steep. You really need to watch your feet, hope for the best that some of these steps don't crumble beneath you. You're entering a national park area. Didn't know that the monkey trail was a national park. Okay, the staircase of death has now ended and at least we're onto more even ground in here. Looks like they have a few sandbags there to kind of make it easier. I don't know if it does make it easier. I'm feeling we're going to get a very nice sunset. It should be in about an hour or so we can chill out on the beach for a bit, see what the vibe is, take it from there. Kind of feels like a bit of an anti-climax now because I was hoping to come along on this trail and see the monkeys climbing in the trees above me here. But now that I've seen about 30 of them before we even started the trail, I have nothing to look forward to. Nah, to be honest, I don't think it's going to be like that at all. It really is a nice trail to walk. The views are good. You can see the sea is kind of all down there around me. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. I think that really makes Thailand, those sort of limestone structures. They're what I think about when I think about Thailand, the islands. Absolutely wonderfully beautiful. Holy shit. Wait till you see this. Wow. Like I said there, it didn't take long. It took probably even 20-25 minutes to get through the whole thing. Lots of people coming each way. The only issue you would think would be the stairs will hold you. But I got through, I survived. Lived to tell the tale, so that's always a plus. Have a look at this. You probably noticed from my face there, I got absolutely scorched today. We were on a day tour to the Hong Islands and it was fantastic as well. So I might leave a link to the video for that one that I'm going to make just here. So check it out. Let me know what you think of that one too. The monkey trail, really nice, easy enough to do. Just you have to watch your steps when you're coming up and down the stairs. And of course, the sunset can be quite spectacular. Look, on that note, I'm going to leave it there. Hope you liked the video once again. Let us know what you thought in the comments, and we're going to be making hopefully much more content soon, more videos. In 2 weeks we're heading to Vietnam, so we're going to be hopefully making some videos there, all going well. Do subscribe and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.